Several factors can cause low egg production in poultry farming. So today, let's look at those factors. 1. Poor nutrition. A diet lacking essential nutrients like protein, calcium, and vitamins can lead to reduced egg production. Balanced feed is crucial for maintaining consistent egg laying. 2. Age of hens. Egg production naturally declines as hens age. Peak production occurs in their first year of laying, with gradual decline afterwards. 3. Improper lighting. Hens require about 14 to 16 hours of lighting per day to maintain optimal egg production. So insufficient light, especially during shorter days, can cause a drop in egg laying. 4. Stress. Stress from overcrowding, predators, loud noises, or sudden changes in the environment can lead to reduced egg production. 5. Disease or parasites. Illness such as Newcastle disease, avian influenza, or internal and external parasite can significantly affect a hen's health and productivity. 6. Weather conditions. Extreme heat or cold can stress the bird and reduce egg production. Maintaining proper temperature and ventilation in poultry houses is important. 7. Molting. Hens naturally shed and regrow their feathers during molting, a process that temporarily reduces or halts egg production. 8. Improper housing conditions. Overcrowded, poorly ventilated, or dirty housing can lead to stress and illness, negatively impacting egg production. 9. Water supply. Lack of fresh, clean water can quickly lead to reduced egg production, as hens need adequate hydration for optimal laying. And also, drinking troughs must be kept clean always. 10. Breeding issues. Some breeds are not as prolific egg layers as others, and genetic factors may influence the rate of egg production. In conclusion, monitoring and addressing these factors can help maintain consistent egg production in poultry farming. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.